Welcome to another tutorial where we delve of Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to explore a feature that can revolutionize the way you work within Excel macros. In the world of spreadsheet software, time is of the essence, and the Excel macros emerge as your secret weapon for automating repetitive tasks and supercharging your productivity. Have you ever found yourself tediously performing the same sequence of actions in Excel day in and day out? Whether it's formatting data, applying specific formats, or even just navigating through your spreadsheet, these repetitive tasks can quickly become a drain on your time and energy. This is where Excel macros step in to save the day. A macro is essentially a series of recorded actions that you can play back with just a click, automating complex or routine tasks with remarkable ease. Imagine reducing a process that would typically take minutes or even hours down to mere seconds, all at the click of a button. Throughout this tutorial, we will demystify Excel macros, exploring how to record, edit, and deploy them effectively. We'll unravel the potential behind this feature and showcase practical examples where macros can transform your workflow, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, analyzing data, making informed decisions, and increasing overall efficiency. Whether you are an Excel novice seeking to streamline your everyday tasks or an experienced user looking to take your spreadsheet skills to the next level, understanding and harnessing the power of Excel macros is a game changer. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the true potential of Excel macros for a more efficient and productive spreadsheet experience. So, if you have some tasks repeated day by day, and for example, you have to create daily such reports like copy the data and after that creating the charts where your sales are present, and you have to do this day by day for different products. So how to do this automatically? For example, if we would start to create such chart, what we should do? In this case, we have to select required cells. After that, go to Insert Tab, choose the combo chart, choose the first one. After that, maybe change the color by clicking up here, change colors, choose the green one. After that, adding some data labels, maybe transferring these numbers to the top by double clicking, choosing top. Finally, change the chart title. Let's name it bananas, and that's okay. And for example, you have to do the same for kiwi, for apples, and so on for other products you have. But what if you would like to do this automatically, but not repeating all the same operations again and again? What if you just click on some magic button and your data will appear up here, your chart, like this? For this, we have to record a macro. Let me show you how to do this. For those who have Developer tab, you just can simply click on this button up here in the left corner. But for those who doesn't have it, you have to go to your panel, just click on your button, customize the ribbon, and after that choose here the hit button where developer is present and click OK. After that, you will be having in the developer tab such panel that is named code. Here the recording of macro is present. So let's record the first macro. For this, we should click on Record Macro and start recording it. Let's give it a macro name. Let it be sales. Click OK. So we'll choose the first cell. It is going to be B3. After pushing hard keys on your keyboard, Ctrl-Shift down, Ctrl-Shift right, you can select the whole table. Go to Insert tab, choose Combo Chart. Here we can change the color. Let's choose the blue one, dark blue. After that, add some data labels and transfer this legend on the top. And let's change the name of the chart. It is going to be bananas. Now we have done everything we need and we should stop the macro. We can stop it or up here in the developer tab, or we can go here in the left corner and click stop. Now your macro has been recorded. So if you go to another sheet, for example Kiwi, and after that choose the macro you've just recorded, go to developer tab on macros and choose sales, click run. Then your chart will be created. But what we can see? We can see that the name of the chart has left the same as we named the previous one. So we should change it. How to do this? We should go to the code by clicking on Visual Basic or using hotkeys Alt F11. Let's click on it. Go to Module and let's find our name banana. What? Here, this is the name of the chart. So let's rename it to the required one. For this, we have to type here where the name of bananas is present. We have to type required cell just by pointing that this is B1 and we should type value. Save it. Okay. And again, also we should change the name. There was present in two places, so I will copy it and insert it up here also and save it. Also want to add that while saving the macro document, you have to choose the type of your document like XLS-M. In another case, the Excel won't save it including your macro. It will save just in a usual Excel format. So be sure that you are saving after recording a macro in the format XLS-M. Okay, let's close it. Now, if I delete this chart and choose again recorded macro, click run, I will see that the name of my chart was changed. The same will happen in the third sheet where apples are present. Let's do this. Macros, sales, run, apple sales. Perfect. It works. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more data-driven explorations. If you have questions, comments, or if there is a specific analysis you'd like us to tackle next, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Till the next time, bye-bye.